Added an extra layer of protection here on top of the caulking we've seen in my previous video and the metal tape, and now we've gone ahead and added this rubber seal meant for these kind of situations to prevent leaks, and see how this, keep you posted. Alright, so yeah, it's looking pretty good. 3/4 in, 3/4 inch pipe coming straight out of the drip pan and working its way down into the 2-inch drain, connecting to a 4-inch sewer. Yeah, it's pretty good. Appreciate your likes and subscribes. Best is yet to come. Keep you posted. All right. Have a blessed day.